Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of flip up we click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you search about flip and we click. Here in this window you click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time. And thank you for watching and your attention.